Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company with a very lovely prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1982 Yamaha RD350LC. You can win this on our site, the Classic Competition Company, for just £1.99. The draw will take place on the 26th of April, which is Sunday at 10 PM. So, as you can see, it's in fully restored condition. This beautiful candy blue. It was restored I think about a year ago, and it's only done 81 miles since, so it still will need running in. Got the Micron expansion chambers on there, and you've also got Micron fork brace, I think we call it, and we've got twin discs on there as well, and got this really nice belly pan which is colour matched. I think really sets it off. There's something a bit different from your average RD350. What we'll do now, start her up. Really easy to start. We've had our mechanic will test ride it, make sure it's all okay and ready to go. It runs and rides really well. Put it on reserve there. Maybe a little bit of choke. Had this running about an hour ago. It starts very easily. Just need a little bit of warming up before we rev it too much. Give it a kick. There we are. Really nice smooth engine, as you'd expect, having been fully rebuilt. Makes a nice crackling noise from those microns. Like I said, I won't rev it too much because we had it going about an hour ago. It's probably cooled down a bit since. So if you like your RDs, you fancy something a bit different, this is the sort of bike I think you'd like. Tickets are £1.99 and it's classiccompetitioncompany.com. If you do enter, thank you for your support as always, and good luck.